In this video, I will show you how to level up fast in Monopoly Go, so let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, I'm here on Monopoly Go. Now the best and quickest way to level up is by building properties on your board. So by going ahead and building different properties, you can see that our net worth goes up as well as obtaining levels. Another way to level up fast is to basically complete your colour sets of properties. So when you go ahead and complete colour sets, what happens is you can spin a wheel, and of course that's going to enable you to level up. Now another thing you can also do is look out for events. So at the moment we've got the Epic Myths event. Sometimes by clicking the tokens and picking these up will enable you to level up that way too. So that's basically the best ways to go about leveling up in Monopoly Go, as well as how to level up fast in Monopoly Go. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.